Sa kabila ng paglabas ng mga issue tungkol sa hindi daw legal ang kasal ni Francis Magalona at asawa nito na si Pia Magalona, ay marami pa ring mga netizen ang ipinagtatanggol si Pia. Sa kabila ng mga isyong ito, ay tila hindi pa rin matanggap ng ilang netizen ang paglabas ni Abigail Wright at anak nito, at kaya naman maraming netizen ang nagsasabing taas at saludo sila sa pagiging matyaga ni Pia Magalona sa kabila ng mga issue at pagtitiis na hinarap nito. Matatandaan kamakailan ay nag-post din ang nagsasabing kaibigan ni Francis Magalona na si Robby Tarosa at pinagsabihan pa si Pia at wag daw itong magpa-victim. Pero sa kabila nito ay nananatiling tahimik si Pia at inamin naman niya na hindi naman talaga bedo process ang relationship with Francis Magalona. Marami ring mga netizen ang nagsabing kung totoo daw ang sinasabi ni Robby Tarosa na true love ni Francis si Abigail Wright, ay bakit daw nagstay pa rin si Francis kay Pia kasama ng mga anak nito hanggang sa huling hininga. Narito ang post ng isang Elaine Catamco Fernandez na kung saan ay hinangaan niya si Pia Magalona. Pia Magalona is one of the strongest women I know based on her public life. A life of battling with cancer and making up for herself to hold her big family of 10 is a tough job. Yes, they have unpublished family problems and will never know how many breakdowns, silent tears, and late-night prayers she underwent just to raise her family and bring her children on track. She has been raising her kids all alone since 2009, and the hell every mom knows the struggle of raising kids. When I said kids, I just don't mean 1 or 2, but 8. I salute her for that. Then here comes someone who claimed that what she and the late rapper had was real love, who indulged herself to a commitment where she knows that it's really wrong in the first place. She managed to fall into a temptation where she knows she will not just hurt her co-women, but an entire clan of developing humans. Yes, her child has all the right to be introduced as the child of the late rapper and everyone accepts that. But does she really need to reveal it publicly? Mainly focusing on her and the late rapper's romance and reopen some wounds that were closed for a long time. I always wonder why some women praise her instead of rectifying her mishaps. Imagine some of Pia's kids had their mental breakdowns, some even really had a hard time coping up with their adolescence then when they were just about to heal slowly. This issue burst out. Girls, we know the feeling of being betrayed, hurt, and humiliated. Let us stop being the reason for other women's tears. Let us not normalize entertaining married/committed men just to make ourselves entitled to be chosen over his wife partner and feel pity on being one. Let us always remember the girl code. Let us not be the reason for someone's pain because what goes around comes around. Sa puntong ito ay marami ang nagsabing may karapatan si Pia kung anong pwedeng desisyon at may karapatan din siya na wag nang i-escalate ang problema na lumabas noon para na rin maiwasan ang issue. Ilan din ang nagsabing nagbigay din ang Tape Incorporated at producer ng Itbulaga noon na huwag nang ituloy ang interview about Abigail dahil pwede daw itong magkaroon ng issue sa nasabing rapper at sa show na Itbulaga. Marami rin ang nagsasabing aware si Pia Magalona at ang mga anak na ito tungkol sa issue na meron ngang ibang pamilya si Francis pero nanatiling tahimik ang buong pamilya para hindi rin maapektuhan ang image ni Francis Magalona noon. Ngayon ang tanong ng mga netizen, may kasalanan ba talaga si Pia or ginawa lang niya ang kanyang obligasyon bilang partner or asawa ni Francis Magalona sa matagal na panahon? Ilang netizen na nagsasabing hindi pwedeng tanggalin kay Pia ang mga ginawa na ito sa pamilya ni Francis lalo na't meron silang mga anak. At doon makikita ang pagiging matatag ni Pia na sa kabila ng mga issue ay nanatili itong ina at mag-isang pinalaki mula 2009 ang kanyang mga anak hanggang ngayon.